Here we are, we're going in. We're gonna clean my blood. How are you doing? Good to see you again. Good to see you again.
So basically what Garry is doing right now, so this is the procedure, it's called Inuspheresis. We are cleaning the plasma. So we are filtering all the things. So what causes any chronic disease is inflammation, right? So what causes inflammation is pathological clutter. So anything that can cause toxicity to the body. For example, environmental stress, there is mold in the food, there is microplastics. These are the things we cannot avoid. Either we make our immune system so strong that we can deal with the daily stressors, or the other way around. So we choose to cleanse ourselves and detox ourselves. So detoxification can be in many ways.
But the reality is that people have a lot of sickness or diseases. Like you get chronic diseases like Parkinson's. The environment inside the body is the blood. And if the environment inside the body is dirty, it can't do its job.
But in this machine, which is the most advanced filtering system, only we remove the toxins or the dirty plasma with fat and other toxins from the body, which is making big difference in the treatment.
So the treatment is very, very widely used with anyone actually. It can be used with any patient from normal fatigue up to like severe conditions, abnormal cellular growth, or patients who have gone through a lot of vaccinations and have autoimmune conditions. The machine also removes, one keyword is spike proteins. So whatever viruses that you had before, even though it's like, you know, very normal thing like kissing disease like EBV, CMV, or even some vaccines, it removes.
So we're advising the people who are seeking longevity or more anti-aging to have this treatment. The ischemic heart disease people, the people suffering from the high cholesterol and they couldn't control, Lyme disease, all autoimmune disease like rheumatoid arthritis, systemic lupus, also the brain problem, which is disease like Parkinsonism, dementia. They have a lot of benefits for treatment of cancer patients.
Yeah. When you cannot find any answer, or when you don't know what to do, or when you don't know what you have has any cure, I would recommend everyone to try Inuspheresis, because you know it can definitely help you. Normally the treatment protocol, one protocol you have to do it 2 times, even minimum 1 day apart. As we know, like in our daily life, it's going straight to our blood, all the toxins. But at the same time, it can also deposit in the tissues and the organs, and it can make the function of the organs not so optimal. And that's how our liver is not detoxifying right optimally. In the first time, it clears the blood, okay? It clears the plasma. And the second time, it is removing all the toxins remaining from the tissue. So this is like the whole protocol. And for patients, depending on their lifestyle and their risk factors, it can be done like monthly or every 3 months or like once a year, depending on the patient. When we do the treatment with our machine as well, we also don't forget to give back the minerals to the patient. So we are giving like antioxidants, vitamins, and CoQ10, like certain things to make the patient have very good, feeling after the treatment as well.
And you are the first internationally licensed in Dubai.
Yeah, we are the first in Dubai.
This one, actually, I have more stuff coming out the second time.
Yes.
And the reason is because as the blood flushed and cleared everything, it had more capacity to draw from my tissue.
From tissues, yes.
Right.
Yes.
And so this is the plasma, the inflammation.
Yeah, this is inflammation and this fat also.
Fat.
The bad fat in your body.
Yeah.
And it is little red than last time because it's inflammation.
Right.
Which is good also sign. You remove the inflammation from the internal organs.
So basically the first one cleared out the blood, then the blood pulled out the inflammation from the internal organs. I'm feeling both tired and energized and very clear at the same time. I feel very strong, and it almost feels like I'm outside of my body. It feels like my voice has changed. I don't know if you can, yeah, my voice has changed. I feel high and calm at the same time.